I'm Himanshu Roda, and I'll be trainer for you for the day. And we will be talking about some hacks a financial genius of your age should know this. So we'll be covering various topics today. And the topics that we are going to cover today, that we plan to cover today, of course, we should know the importance of finance. So a financial genius is the one, though that's a very wide term that depends upon age to age. So a financial genius of my age should be knowing a lot more than a financial genius of your age. But the very basic things that one finance professional should be knowing is something that we are going to cover today, that we are going to discuss today. Why do we work? Why do we study? To earn money? For a sustained livelihood? So basically, okay, what if I say for someone, you may say that you study for the sake of acquiring knowledge. You study for the sake of acquiring knowledge. One of you may say that. But the point is, if I give you all the knowledge of the world, but I make you stay in a slum, will you be happy? I doubt. What if I do not give you a house to live in? What if I want you to, I ask you to stay in a dump yard because you have got some knowledge? No. So the truth is that we want knowledge for the sake of converting that into some money so that we can earn our livelihood. Yes, money is not everything. But Vishwa, the ironical part is you may require money for almost everything. Everything is needed. We need happiness also. We need money also. We need house also. But most of the things today are dependent on money. So let us first understand what is money. So why do we work? Why do we study? It is only for the sake of making money, or mostly for the sake of making money. What happens in absence of money? Let us look at a few examples. 83 countries have gone bankrupt in the last 200 years. Imagine, I'm talking about the countries. People can make mistakes. How can countries make mistakes? So I repeat these faces for you once again. Could you see them? Donald Trump, Amitabh Bachchan, Govinda, Raj Kapoor, Preeti Zinta, A.K. Hangal, Mike Tyson, Shah Rukh Khan, all big names. They all are stars. They all are celebrities. They all are billionaires. But there is one thing common. Other than this is that they all, you'll be surprised to know, and they are also your role models, most of them. They all have got bankrupt at least one time in their life. They all have got bankrupt at least one time in their life. And they are your favorites. They are your idols. But they recovered. Donald Trump, his company has got bankrupt at least 4 times. Amitabh Bachchan, if you ask your parents, there was a company called ABCL, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited. Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited. Their company owed means they had to pay more than 90 crore rupees to the bankers late in 1990s. That means today's amount is more than 400-500 crore rupees. So this particular person, he owed more than 90 crore rupees in debt. That means in bank loan. Govinda, he had a tough time financially, and he also got bankrupt at least one time in their lives. Raj Kapoor, while making Mera Naam Joker. Preeti Zinta, while making the movie Ishq in Paris. A.K. Hangal, at the age of 95. Mike Tyson lost $300 million. Shah Rukh Khan lost almost entire money while making the movie Raman. First thing that we learned today from this is one thing that you should be knowing. You do anything in your life, there is one subject you will always be dealing with, is managing your own finances. If you are not able to manage your own finances, whosoever you are, it doesn't matter. Whether you are a country, did you see the name of that country? Whether you are a country, you can go bankrupt. I'm sorry to say that. Whether you are an individual, you can go bankrupt. or you are a company, then also you can go bankrupt. The first lesson that I want to give it to you today is whatever you do, you will have to learn managing your finances. If your country doesn't know how to manage finances, they may go bankrupt. If your company does not know, they may go bankrupt. If you do not know, you may go bankrupt.